This is the page you will land on once you log in to the platform. Click on the Get Started button to view your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Let us now create a project by typing a project name in the Create New Project field and clicking on the arrow button. Now that we created the project primitives, click on the project to view the project page. This is the project dashboard. This is where you manage the project creation, deployments and track analytics from. Let us click on the Build or Edit Experience button to enter the editor where we will be creating the project. This is the editor with the 360 environment, where you will be creating your immersive experiences. You can access the elements you add and their properties on this right panel. And you can add your content from this list of element types.